I've had sliver grippers in the past, and they were the stainless versions. It's been a while since I bought a pair. I like the stainless ones. I've got a couple pairs floating around. They've always had a really nice point on them. I've got these in. These are the titanium versions. Now the new stainless ones, I've heard the point isn't nearly as good as the old ones were. I don't know. I haven't bought a pair in quite a long time. Haven't really needed them. This is what they come in. I got this set off of Amazon. They're kind of pricey in the titanium. They run about 15 bucks. I'll put the pertinent information up on the video. But it's grade 1 titanium, which is a decent grade, almost pure titanium. No stuff to make it even harder, because if you went with the grade 5 and stuff, this stuff work hardens pretty bad, and it can split through here if you work it too much. We got the little clip that is a positive retention. I don't know if you can see in here very well. Got the little bend to hold the point, and it's retained in here through the holes either way. So either way it goes in there, it doesn't matter. You can see the point is a nice, fine, sharp point, which will get in, and trust me, I've used these to pick cactus spines out of my hide and wood splinters and all kinds of stuff. It'll get in and grab what you want and pull it out like that right there. I've been off doing some things today, so I've got some stuff driven in my skin. You can see it's just, they're strong enough that it's just taken, it's actually taken the surface of the skin with it too. You can get down, it's good enough you can get down, and it's good enough grab, you can actually grab individual hairs and pull them out. If you can get hold of them. There we go. Individual hair. Yeah, that felt good. But I've used, like I said, I've used the stainless ones. I'm looking forward to keeping these around. These are going in my O'Shite bag. I've got a piece of marine grade plywood buried in my hand, and I'm trying to get it, been messing with it, trying to get it out. So I just decided to open these up, and it will get in where you want. You can pull everything back from what you're doing, get slivers out, do whatever you need with tweezers. These aren't overly cheap. Titanium isn't. It's not getting any cheaper. I can tell you from with the things that are going on this year, titanium has gotten a lot more expensive. I look for it to go up in price even more so. The sliver gripper is a great tool, whether stainless or titanium, it doesn't matter. It's $6, I think, for the stainless version. Good or bad, the old version were awesome. I'm guessing the new ones are probably just as good. So the sliver gripper, nice little compact set of tweezers when you need it, and you will need them.